If you travel, never make these three mistakes. Plan your trip. The desire to see and do as much as possible while traveling can lead to an overloaded schedule. A busy schedule can cause fatigue and stress and prevent you from enjoying the local atmosphere and immersing yourself in the culture. Plan your time around relaxation and free time so you can relax and explore the local attractions without rushing. Insufficient budget planning. One of the main mistakes travelers make is underestimating the cost of their trip. You need to plan your budget carefully, taking into account transportation, accommodation, food, entertainment, and other expenses. Take the time to research prices in the country or city you'll be visiting and factor in unexpected costs to avoid financial problems while traveling. Careless handling of personal belongings. The second mistake is insufficient care of personal belongings. Pickpockets and scammers are common in tourist areas, so it is important to take precautions. Do not leave valuables unattended, use hotel safes, and carry a backpack or bag that is difficult for strangers to open. It's also a good idea to have backup copies of important documents and financial assets in case they are lost or stolen. For a lot of tips and information for travelers, see the previous video.